Part athlete and part fashionista, the 2024 Grecale anchors the Maserati lineup with a tailored cabin and oodles of curb appeal. The turbocharged four-cylinder under its hood comes in two strengths, 296 or 325 horsepower, and comes hooked to an 8-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. Its distinctive styling sets it apart from rivals such as the Alfa Romeo Stelvio, BMW X3, and Porsche Macan, and so does its price, which starts thousands higher than those other SUVs. The Grecale makes up for that with a higher level of standard equipment, including cabin trimmings that are a class above. The Grecale debuted last year as a new model, so it doesn't see many changes for 2024. All trims feature a subtly redesigned steering wheel, and the Modena trim now offers a new optional wheel design. This year, Maserati introduces its Forestieri personalization program, allowing buyers to customize their Grecale with a broader range of paint colors, wheel styles, and interior options. The 2024 Maserati Grecale has a starting price of $69,995, but depending on the trim and additional options, it can reach up to $78,495. Despite its premium starting price, which ranks it among the most expensive compact luxury crossovers, the Modena trim is a recommended upgrade. By choosing the Modena trim, you not only get the maximum 325 horsepower from the four-cylinder engine, but also a host of other premium features. These include adaptive dampers, 20-inch wheels, a power sunroof, 14-way power-adjustable front seats, adaptive cruise control, and stylish wood interior trim. The upgrade is almost $10,000 more than the base price, but the added performance and luxury features make it a worthwhile investment. The Grecale elegant interior design incorporates some high-tech flourishes. Along with rich materials throughout the cabin, the dash includes a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a pair of touchscreens on the center stack. The upper unit measures 12.3 inches and handles the infotainment system, while the 8.8-inch lower screen contains HVAC and other controls. A 3-zone climate system is standard. Passengers should have enough space to be comfortable, as long as those in the back aren't too tall or riding 3 across. The Grecale cargo area offers up to 20 cubic feet of space, and Maserati says the area behind the power-folding rear seats features a flat load floor with a storage compartment underneath. The Grecale's Google-based infotainment system primarily runs through a 12.3-inch touchscreen, but there's another 8.8-inch touchscreen below that controls other functions. Every model comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A Wi-Fi hotspot is available with a subscription. The Grecale's infotainment system also works with voice command services like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The SUV's audio system can also be upgraded to a 21-speaker, 1,285-watt Sonos Faber stereo. The Grecale is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. In the GT, the engine makes 296 horsepower, but the Modena receives a higher output version of that engine with 325 horses. The ride is forgiving in the Grecale's sportier drive modes, and with the comfort mode selected, it is downright pillowy. Handling is fairly neutral, and the Grecale's athleticism is easy to exploit. The Grecale's fuel economy estimates from the show that the most efficient models are the ones with the Turbo 4, which are rated for 22 mpg city and 29 mpg highway. While it shares the GT's top speed, the Modena's enhanced performance is more noticeable in its handling. Even with the four-cylinder versions of the Grecale, you can opt for adaptive air suspension or adaptive dampers for a smoother ride, though these are part of optional handling packs. But don't dismiss the standard fixed-rate suspension, which still provides a balanced and comfortable ride. Despite being the entry-level model with a four-cylinder engine, the Grecale Modena includes a 48V mild hybrid system along with turbocharging and an electric compressor, allowing for quicker acceleration at lower revs. It's a dynamic setup, especially when you engage sport mode, which sharpens throttle response and speeds up gear shifts, all while maintaining a smooth ride thanks to the 8-speed ZF transmission. As the most fuel-efficient in the Grecale lineup, the GT claims fuel consumption of 8.7 to 9.2 liters per 100 kilometers on a combined cycle. While our testing recorded fuel use as low as 8.9 L100 km, it could go as high as 11.9 L100 km in sport mode, depending on driving style and conditions. The Maserati Grecale is once again setting the standard in its class. What are your thoughts on this remarkable car? Share your thoughts. Be sure to like our video, leave a comment with your insights, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive content.